Hi there, this is Math with Marcus, and this is Course 2, 7th grade. I'm talking about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So that includes integers like -3 and +5, and also decimals and fractions as well. Those are all rational numbers. So let's get right to it. I'm breaking this up into two parts. So the first video here is going to be A, B, and C, and then part 2 will be D, E, and F. So if you just need help with D, E, and F, look for part 2. That's coming out real shortly. So when adding and subtracting integers like we have here, it's really helpful to think about those plus-minus tiles that we've been using, or number lines are really helpful. This one I think I'm going to do the plus-minus tiles. So we've got 7 positives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm adding 8 negatives to the pile here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 extra negative. For a sum of -1. But then I'm going to add 14 positives to the mix. So let me actually do it in a different color. So let me do the green 14 here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see, my 0 pairs here, my 7 positives here. Well, actually, these 8 negatives and 8 positives make a 0 pair. So 8 positives, 8 negatives, those are 0. So what we're left with is the 13 positives. The answer here is 13 is the sum of that expression there. Here we've got negatives. So negative 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we've got 5 more negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we add negatives, our answer is getting more negative. So we've got 12 plus 5 is negative 17. For this one, I'll go ahead and do it above. We've got 5 positives, and we're taking away negatives. So this is kind of tricky. So we've got our 5 positives here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is where you're going to have to say, well, we're trying to take away -3, but we don't have negatives yet. So this is where we add 0 pairs. So 1, 2, 3 positives, 1, 2, 3 negatives. Now we still have 5 as our starter. We still have 5 positives. And now we can remove 3 negatives. We now have the negatives to remove. So now we can remove, if I can get this, we can remove these 3 negatives. And what we're left with is really just +3. So another way to look at this is, I'm going to get rid of this. Another way to look at this expression is 5 plus 3. Removing negatives is a positive. Removing negatives is a positive thing. So our answer is 8. Answer is 8. All right, join me for part 2 if you want help with D, E, and F. Thanks.